Hi boys and girls, it's now time for another fun mathematical video. We've been learning how to divide, and we've seen how the best way to divide is to think of it as dividing into groups. Just like when we're at sports time and I say, right, everybody into groups of 5, and we divide up into groups of 5. So today we're going to have a look at another type of division sum, but it's going to be slightly more complicated, and you're going to see why. So my first sum is divide 10 by 3, or 10 divided by 3. So here I have 10 children. Imagine 10 children, and we're doing sports together, and I say, right, everybody, let's make groups of 3. So there's a group of 3. There's a group of 3. There's a group of 3. And there's a group of 1. Now, I can't make a group of 3. So you know what happens when we're doing sports at this time. If there are 10 children and I say groups of 3, there's going to be one person left over, and that person has to sit down. I've just said the words left over. They're important words that we need to know. Another way of saying left over is remainder. Remainder. So if I say to you, boys and girls, what's 10 divided by 3? Well, we've taken our 10 dots and we've made 3 groups. So my answer would be 3. But remember, 3 times 3 is 9. And we have a 10 there. So we have to include this one which is left over. So I'm going to write down or 1. Or stands for remainder. Here we have another one. This sum says 10 divided by 4. So let's check that I have 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 dots, and I'm going to make groups of 4. So there's a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make another group of 4. And now let's make another group of 4. Oh, wait now. I can't make another group of 4 because I've only got 2 people. I've got 2 dots left over. So 10 divided by 4 will be 1, 2. I have 2 groups of 4. And my remainder will be 2. So my remainder is 2. Can I use backwards multiplying to check my sum? Of course I can. 2 times 4 is 8, and add 2 will give me 10. So this is how we divide groups which are not equal, that there's always going to be some dots left over. When we have some dots left over, it's called a remainder.